Hi everyone, it's Happy Mail Queen. I'm doing a haul video today. It's actually midnight here in California, and I'm super wide awake because I took a nap and my hubby took a nap. I'm not sure if the kids took a nap, but the kids are also awake. So anyway, it's Saturday night, so I figured it's okay. You know, they deserve to stay up a little bit. So we'll see. But I thought I'd go ahead and do a video since I'm wide awake. So, okay, let's see. I went to a few places just running errands the past couple of days. I did go to Dollar Tree because I had to get some snacks. We went to go see a movie today. And sometimes I like to just go to the Dollar Tree to just get some candy. And it's not like I don't purchase from the, you know, the candy bar or whatever you want to call it at the theater. We purchase plenty of food, trust me. But sometimes they don't have the candy I like. So they have a small selection. So anyway, I did grab some candy. I'm not going to show you the candy, but I did grab some more of these because they were fully stocked on them. And so I grabbed a couple of these storage cases. I am loving them, as well as this one right here, the Jot organizer case. And I'm actually using these to actually organize, not just for the embellishment boxes that I'm making, but I do like them because they can store quite a bit. And for example, I'll show you. I've already, like, see, I'm using them for my acrylic pieces that I just recently purchased. And I'll show you, I purchased another one. But, you know, I'm going to see how this works. And I do like the fact that they do stack. So that's the nice thing. So I'm still organizing my craft room. Okay, so I guess I'll start off with Michael's because I think that's the smallest. And can you believe it? I walked out of Michael's buying this and buying this. That is it. Which is, you know, pretty good for me because I usually spend more. I did see this and it wasn't on sale. I'm trying to see if I used it. No, I didn't use a coupon because I had to use my coupon for this one. I went there to go get that other one. Well, I was torn between this one and the one that Erica purchased recently from Michael's. And the one she purchased already came in like a bin like this, similar. But they didn't carry it. In fact, I don't think I ever saw them carry it. So maybe my Michael's just, you know, they didn't order that, or they're just not carrying it. But this was the other one that I really liked, and I saw Tara Finch haul this one. Hey, Tara. And so I decided to go ahead and get this one because I do like this one as well, and it has like the dewdrops in there, and this is a, you know, a different finish than the other one that I purchased from HobbyLobby. So yes, I will be separating these. And I'll also gift them because you get a lot. So, so that came out to $4.99 with the coupon that I had. I actually had to use a Joann's coupon because I really hate it when Michael's. Sorry, I know I'm kind of going off on a tangent here, but but I really hate when they do this 50% off from 6 p.m. to closing. I mean, seriously, it was like 3 o'clock in the afternoon, and you know, I'm not coming back. And she's like, you can use the 40% coupon. And I was like, oh my gosh, you know. And so I had to think fast because there was somebody behind me. But I was like, wait a minute. You guys are not going to try to trick me this time. I was like, wait. I looked through my coupon, and I had a Joann's coupon for 50% off. So I asked her, you know, you do accept competitors' coupons, right? Okay, well, here's a Joann's. So she's like, oh, yeah. So yes, I got this for 50% off. I was determined. So, I'm telling you, it's like you have to be a super smart shopper to shop at these places, because otherwise, if you don't know your coupons, girls, they won't ask, you know, so be prepared every time you go to Michael's. Okay, and then I had gone to, I guess I'll show the Target one. So I went there with my son, and isn't this cute? Recently, well, a couple months, a month or so ago, my BFF gave me some gourmet gummies, and it wasn't this one, but now I know where she got it because I saw them at Target, and it was right there at the register stand, at the register. But I saw this one and I was like, oh, this is perfect, because, you know, I'm like doing a unicorn themed project. So isn't it cute for Happy Mail? Oh my gosh, it's so cute. I should have grabbed two, but I didn't. I checked out the dollar section. I did see this one, the ice cream erasers. I thought they were super cute. And I don't know if Civ gifted me some of these, or if she gifted me the ones from Daiso, but I grabbed some for Happy Mail. So they were $1. I saw these and I thought they were so cute. Let me see if I can open this one. They're paper clips and they're just adorable. Look, little cloud, and I especially got it for these two. I'm not always into fruits, but I do love bananas, and then this one's so cute for summer. And then you get this little pouch. It says "So Rad." So yeah, I got it, and that was only $1. I got this in the card section. I just thought they were the cutest things. Look at them. I mean, every little thing is so cute with the faces. Look at the little kitty cat, and the cloud, and that little, is it cotton candy? I think it's cotton candy. It's just so adorable. So, I think this was like $2.50 or something like that. Where's my receipt? But I went ahead and got it because it's just too cute. It's Carlton cards, and I believe you do get 2 sheets of it. So, because it's 111 seals. I thought that was cute. And then I saw this and I could not put it down. It's just too adorable. And you get so many. Now, I did pay $5 for this, but I figured you get so many. And they are lip gloss. But how cute is that for Happy Mail, right? Especially this one, the blues and oh, they're just all so cute. So yes, I will be gifting these. So every Happy Mail that I probably send, I'll have to stick one of these in it. And then I saw these. Now I've seen these before, but now I'm doing a sea theme. I did get the unicorn one before, and I just thought these are really cute. And I do have a project in mind for this one, and I love the seashells. So, and the stars. I love all of them. So yeah, these are great. So I'm going to be using that. So that was, oh, here's my Target receipt. So the unicorn sticker was $2.49. Okay, so, and I was there to get some gift cards, so, you know, I did have to go to Target, okay? Okay, and then I was at, oh, another thing, I'm sorry, I forgot to show you these. These are from the Dollar Tree. I opened this one just to check it out. These are lip gloss too. I just thought they were so cute, the little container. Look how cute they are. So I got a blue and a pink one, and I just thought this would be cute for my sea theme, so I got them. Super duper cute. Okay, and then I was at Hobby Lobby because I returned so that I can get the coordinating die, this one by Caitlin Lizardi, and I think this was the last one too, so I'm so happy that I got it because I was able to use my 40% coupon, so it only came out to about, I think it was like $12, so $12 or $12.99, I can't remember, but still a super great deal. because I think online it's like 16 bucks or so. And it comes with all these pieces, and just in case you haven't seen this, it coordinates with that TN die. And here's the number. It's a traveler's notebook insert, in case you're wondering. And what I really love about this, you guys, out of all the little dies, is that cute little bow. Look at the little bow tab. How adorable is that? So you layered the bow on top of this. How cute, right? It's too darling. I had to get it, and plus it coordinates with the other one. So I can't wait to use it and do a project. I'll be doing that soon, I hope. It's just that I've kind of been on the go. And then tomorrow I'm busy too. I have to go somewhere, so so hard to craft. Although I did craft. When did I craft? Last night. I went to bed pretty late. Oops, I can't even put that back. All right, that's gonna go back later. Since I'm showing you dies, two of my online orders came, and let me just show you that I got this. I've seen this before, but I never picked it up, but it was such a great deal on Amazon, and I was purchasing something anyway. It's so cute. It can make a little, look at that little sailboat and that, but I really got it for the kites. I've been forever wanting to make a kite embellishment. Don't ask me why, but it's because a while ago they had those kite embellishments at Michael's. Is it Michael's? I forgot. I think it was at Michael's, and I wanted to recreate it, and I never did. And then I saw these dies, and I thought, well, it'd be easier if I had a die. So you get all these little pieces in there. I guess it's better if I just show you here. Those are the pieces, and it shows you how to layer them, and you know, different things you can do. I mean, it's so cute. So you can pretty much make your little embellishments with these. I've been on small embellishment kick lately, so I'm loving this. So I can't wait to play with that. And I finally got my Brenda Walton bow die. This is the big die, so it does create a pretty big bow. It's a French bow. That's what it is. That's the number right there. This has been in my cart for a while, and the prices have been going up and down with this one, and it finally went down to where I was able to get it, and I think it was 14 something. Now keep in mind, on Amazon the prices do change. Sometimes it goes up, sometimes it goes down, depending, I guess, on the seller. But I thought that was a good deal, so I did grab it, because I never did pick this up from Hobby Lobby. So 14 bucks, $14.99, something like that. That wasn't bad, so I finally went ahead and got it. Okay, so those are the dies that I got. And then lastly, I did go to Hobby Lobby. And I didn't pick up too many things, but one thing I wanted to pick up was some paper, individual papers, because I didn't get to do that last time I was there. I also picked these up because they were 50% off, and so I basically got these for 50 cents because they're usually 99 cents. And the last time I bought them, you know, they were not on sale, and they restocked on this one, so I thought I'd go ahead because I'm going to gift one of them, and I have one already, so I did restock on these. And then the beads were on sale, this particular brand, Bead Design Company. And I went to go look at what other beads that I could find over there. And these are acrylic, of course. But these just caught my eye. I mean, look how sparkly they are. They are like very iridescent. And I love that. And with my unicorn theme, I thought this is great. I want to say they came in other sizes, but I like this size because it's small and I figure I can just, you know, kind of randomly just place them, like if I'm doing a card or whatever project. So anyway, half off, and it was $2. And I did pick up this unicorn just because this one is a little bit bigger than the last unicorn that I picked up, and I hadn't seen this the last time I was there when I was looking for some unicorn charms. And so I went ahead and picked it up. And I thought this was on sale, but it wasn't. So I did pay $2.49. I don't know. I thought it was 50% off, and that's why I had picked it up. But, oh well. I wasn't going to put it back. And then these were 50% off. So I did grab this vellum. So I got it for 49 or whatever, 50 cents. I thought it was really cute. So it'll be perfect for my sea theme. And this is the one that I was super excited about. I think I've seen this before, but I didn't pick it up. And so I got a couple of those. So these were $1. And they're called mermaid scales. Holographic foil. Super pretty. Oh my gosh. I can't wait. And then Tara had recently showed a mermaid tail, what is it? Chipboard piece from Hobby Lobby, and I did not see it. I wasn't looking for it, so I'm sure, I don't know, maybe it was there, but I didn't. I want to grab it now because of this paper. It's gonna go perfectly. I can just lay this on top of that chipboard piece, so can't wait to play with it. And then I did get this one finally. Last time I was there a while back with my friend Sophia, she pointed this one out to me, but I didn't pick it up. So I went ahead and got it this time. So that is it, you guys. I think that is all of it, I hope. And yep, that's it. So thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later.